Hello traders, the title of the video is how to trade the fifth Elliott wave extensions with eyes wide open. So try to imagine how I can keep my eyes wide open, alright? Visualize me opening my eyes and expanding my eyes wide open without blinking. Have you done that? That's it. Stay there and keep your eyes wide open while you are watching this video. Alright? Now, if you have eyes problem, do not do it, okay? Alright? Consult your doctor before keeping your eyes wide open. So, now the reason why I use a word like eyes wide open, it means that it demands so much attention that you do not want to blink, alright? You want to stare at it, watching it, monitoring every reaction so you do not miss anything. It's about, so when I'm using the word eye wide open, it means full attention, concentrating on the subject ahead, alright? This is it, the subject at hand, okay? So, the financial instrument that we're going to use today for that demonstration is American Tower Corporated EPIC AMT, belonging to the communication services sector or telecom services. So I have done my homework and I can see a lot of traders smiling because I can see through my computer your eyes, your smiles. Do you believe that? Okay. Now, because they can see that I put all the label in numbers here, trader did ask me to do that instead of drawing lines. So here we are. So I can see you all smiling. That's good. Okay, so the point I'm making here, I've done my homework and then I've seen this is my first Elliott wave. This is my second Elliott wave down to this point. This is my third Elliott wave right here. And this is my fourth Elliott wave. Now we are having the fifth wave extension. So this is the first minor wave of the fifth wave extension, second minor wave of the fifth wave extension. We are now in the third minor wave of the fifth wave extension, expecting a fourth minor wave of the fifth wave extension, pulling back to retest this trend line, and then we are expecting the fifth minor wave of the fifth wave extension, ending the real fifth wave right here. You can see that I have the red, okay, the number 5 in red here, and the number 5 in pink. So the pink one is relating to the bigger cycle. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's the pink one there. And the red 5 that you see here is about the fifth wave extension. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One more time, my friend, when we talk about Elliott wave forecast, all right, it's an expectation. We put it aside and we blink, wait for the price to confirm or to satisfy our need or our expectation. We cannot enforce our expectation onto the market. The market may print something completely different, and the Elliott wave count is one step at a time as we are following a price. If our forecast is wrong, there's no point to be too proud, or we just cancel it and say, all right, it was wrong, and move on. All right, simple. So the first thing that we need to do when we have the fifth wave extension is to draw trend line. So before the fifth wave is underway, we will have first wave, second wave, third wave, and the fourth wave. So any trend line that we can see from that point on, we'll withdraw them. So I'm going to do that now. So I've done some one on them. Is here. Connect, okay, the high of the first wave to, okay, the high of the third wave. High of the first wave, that's one trend I can draw before the fifth wave even started, okay? There are other trend lines that we can draw if you want to, okay? We can connect, okay? Another point here, the high of the first wave and this high here. Do you agree? So that high of the first wave, we are now connecting it to this high here. So to please your beautiful eyes, you like that, isn't it? Good. To please your beautiful eyes, I'll put a bit of color into it So you may start smiling because traders sometimes they are too serious. So you wonder, Joe, why do you speak to us like this? Because I want you to be happy. That's all. Okay, so when you watch the video, you keep smiling. You were upset about something, you watch our video. At the end of the video, you become brighter. Then you like YouTube, you watch more of our video. If you feel tired, you come and watch our video, you smile, you laugh. Isn't it good? Good. All right. So we can draw again, connecting the high of the first wave and this one here. Okay, have the orange trend line. Which trend line can we draw again? So remember, we are here now. So the fourth wave is completed. We are expecting the fifth wave, and the fifth wave can be extended. Okay, so we are drawing all the trend line before the fifth wave is underway. Which one? We can draw another one. Okay, so this low here, we connect it to this one here. What am I doing? I will explain myself in a minute. Allow me to draw it first, my friend. What's wrong with you? So this point here and this one. Color it in black. Okay, we have the black trend line there. Which one can we draw again? Okay, there's another one. We are still in the fourth wave. Let's connect again. That low here that we have here. We connect it to this one, this low here. I will explain myself in a minute. What am I doing? That low. That low here. We are connecting it to this one here. So you say, oh, Joe, that's too many lines. Remember that the computer can draw as many trend lines as they can. So we have all those trend lines. We draw as many as we can. We leave them on our chart before the fifth wave is underway. So those trend lines will help us if the fifth wave is going to be extended to help us to make excellent decision as the fifth wave is underway. So you see that this, you count your first wave, your second wave, your third wave, and the fourth wave. You say, all right, George said that when we talk about the first, the third, and the fifth, we should always think of extension. Now, the last wave of the multi-wave is the fifth wave. It can also be extended. Let's prepare ourselves for that extension. We are not saying that definitely we'll have an extension, but we're just preparing ourselves by drawing those trend lines, waiting that if there will be an extension, those are the trend lines we need to monitor the reaction of the price around those trend lines as the fifth wave is being extended, because it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's pay attention to those trend lines and see whether they are useful to us at this junction. So fourth wave ended here. We have all those trend lines on our chart. Price went up, you see here. Look what was happening here. People were trying to buy here. Did you see that? Near the orange line. So it touches the orange line. So from here, you see. So you have all those lines there before this move started here. There was a bit of reaction here. I'm on the monthly chart, you see here. Near the orange line. So because you have drawn them, you know what's going on. Now come all the way here. Probably you say, okay, that's the end of the fifth wave. It's no more. One step at a time. So here you'll be thinking that's the end of the fifth wave. You say to people, sell like a mad dog. A correction is likely to begin. But don't say that. Don't say that to anybody. Don't say that. All right. Don't say that. Oh no. All right. So, okay, because we talk about the area, the infinity of area we count. All right. Whenever we see 5, okay, it's again new beginning again. All right. So see the reaction here? Now start pulling back. Again, watch the reaction you see here, the orange line. Acknowledge the orange line, pierce through it. Now we've come to the pink line. I start going up again, you see now? Okay. Here again, it breaks above the red line and retests it here. So for the first time in your life, will you agree with me that those trend lines can be useful for us when the fifth wave is extended? When the fifth wave is subdivided into 5 minor waves. So you'll be wondering, where is the second wave is likely to end? Where is the second minor wave of the fifth wave extension which is likely to end? Where is the third minor wave of the fifth wave extension is likely to end? So by drawing those trend lines, you can have a bit of idea where, okay, how the fifth wave extension will develop. All right, that will help us. So as you can see here, we have seen the first wave, second wave, third wave, fourth wave. Now we are expecting the fifth wave. All these resistance are here. Now at this point in time, we will think that that's the end of the fifth wave. It pulled back. Now here it is cashing out. That's why I say I'm now forecasting that there's a high channel after this move up. There's a high channel. It may pull back a bit to retest the red line before bouncing up again to retest the level of 163. So you may wonder and say, George, what are those horizontal lines that you have on your chart? So I will say to you, well spotted. So apart from those straight lines, all right, that we have drawn to manage our fifth wave extension, all right, we can also pay attention to the price target level, the ultimate price target level, and the midpoint target level. Why? That's another very good question. Did you ask that question? Congratulations. The reason we need to know where are the midpoint target, where are the ultimate targets, because the financial instrument does not go up or down for no reason, especially in a fifth area wave. This is the problem that people face very often in the fifth area wave. The price does not go up. You can quote me anywhere, even on Bloomberg, and say, George just said that. Okay. All right. I allow you to do that. Okay. So the price does not go up or down for no reason. So especially in the fifth area where the smart money want to bring the price to a target level, a specific target level. That's what's going on here. So the horizontal line, as you ask now, as you see the price form, you see this round pattern. Anytime you see a V pattern or a cycle point, as I'm drawing here, so they may say, George, why don't you put that horizontal line here? Because this level, this is where it stopped here before coming down. I don't want to put it here. So traders that are following us at a 2-4 stock trader YouTube channel, at a Day Pro Trader channel, chasing me all over. I say, John, where are you? Are you on 2-4? Are you on Day Pro Trader? Are you on Elliott Wave? All right, they know about the cycle point and they know what we are talking about here. So do exactly the same thing. We measure, okay? That's what I've done already here. See a cycle point, measure the width, and then project it. Help you, see here, round. I see it went up, come down. I talked about this already. So if you are on all our channel, you know what I'm talking about here, because I already recorded a video about this talk, talking about other things, about okay, the financial market. First target here, okay, midpoint target, somewhere here. Did the price acknowledge the midpoint target? Yes. So again, he breaks a bow. This is using market geometry in full swing. There is a video at Day Pro Traders that I will be posting there. It's not there yet. I'll post it soon. So a few days you'll see there. Using market geometry in full swing at the Day Pro Trader YouTube channel. Acknowledging the midpoint target. So the ultimate target here. So look at this. The first manual wave of the fifth wave extension, they stop at the midpoint targets. Right there, like projecting just this, what has happened before. Hey, we project it up. We project it up again. And now, it breaks the bow, we can project it one more time. And now we have the half above it, half of that projection. So a midpoint target. So now, this one, as this one is going up now, okay, we can again divide the smaller one here, the midpoint. So this is a midpoint target above this one here. This is this one here. It's an ultimate target. Call them ultimate target. Ultimate target, ultimate target, midpoint target. So anytime you see two horizontal lines, now we are here. If you don't want to draw it, just remember that there's another line in the middle. Anytime you see two key level, just understand there's another line there in the middle. That's why I say the fifth wave is likely to end here, because midpoint target is a target level. So in the fifth wave, it becomes so important for traders to ask that important question: where are the target level? We are now in a fifth wave. Help us, please. Where are the targets? Where is the midpoint target? Where is the ultimate target? So suppose I'm managing you, I'm a hedge fund, I'm a supervisor, a trader supervisor, and you are in a fifth wave, and I ask you, Where are we headed? You should be able to say the midpoint target that we are approaching now is this. It's $163, and the ultimate target is X. In the fifth area wave, remember this, during the fifth wave and fifth wave extension, one must know where are the target levels. Critical. Draw all the trend line that I draw on my chart like this to help you manage the trade, because we are counting waves one step at a time. Now, sometimes we can forecast that the fifth wave can be extended if the fourth wave has been prolonged. The time it took for the fourth wave to be completed can also help us to have a bit of idea that the fifth wave is likely to be extended. If the first and the third wave are not extended, there is a high chance that the fifth wave will be extended. One of the multi-wave, first, third, and fifth wave will be extended. Or all of them can be extended. Or two of them, very often we see the number one multi-wave that can be extended is the third wave. Or sometimes bullish stock, because traders, if the financial market is very, very bullish, the third wave has been extended. How do we know that the third wave has been extended? If it goes above the 161.8% Fibonacci extension level of the first wave. Okay, all right. So if the first wave is the third wave is extended, we know. But we know that for bullish, dynamic bullish stock, all right, the third wave can be extended, and the fifth wave also can be extended. Now, the reason why sometimes we see that, sometimes you may see all the wave will be extended, especially talking about all the way, I'm talking about the first, the third, and the fifth, all right? So, when you see all the multi-wave being extended, you know that it's all down to a target. So, one of the reasons why that the fifth wave is extended is because of the targets. So people push it here, they say, end of the fifth wave. Smart money say, no, I don't want to take profit there. We are near a target. Bring it to the target level, specific target level. We are not coming out here. Are you stupid or what? We want to come out here. Place order here to sell and continue to buy. You understand now? So one strategy to focus the fifth wave extension is to use how long the fourth wave has taken. Talking about the length, if it takes so long. We talk about the alternance between the second and the fourth wave. If the second wave is swift, take a shorter period, the fourth wave is likely to be extended. This is the theory. The reality of the market can be completely different. It does not mean that the theory is wrong. It's just human being behavior. We cannot predict every human being behavior. Okay, the Elliott wave theory is a guide that is helping us to make smart decisions in the financial market. So that's one example to focus to have a bit of idea whether the fifth wave will be extended. All right. Another way is when the first and the third wave are not extended, especially if the third wave is not extended. And remember, it's down to the fundamental. Okay, the third wave is not extended, but the company is not creating any value. There's no excitement to buy the stock. We won't have the fifth wave extension. But if the stock is totally bullish, okay, dynamically bullish, creating more value, but the third wave is not extended, we can expect that the fifth wave will be extended. Expect, no guarantee. Okay. Another trick that I want to share with you today is that. Sometimes, due to the profit target level, all right, and the greediness of investor, technical trader, all of us, we are all greedy. A bit more money is good, yes or no, all right? You feel more secure. Women love money. And people say, oh, women love money. No. If you say women love money, you say that women love security. They want to feel secure. Men are a bit reckless. Women are better managers, okay? Because they do care about being secure, all right? So if you want to make a manager for your hedge fund for risk control, it's better to use female. Or am I talking too much today? All right, okay. So this is it. So the point I'm making here, due to the profit target level, so now we are here. So we have a target there. If the S&P 500 stays bullish, the market environment is bullish, market environment is suitable, why not, my friend, bring it here instead of stopping here? That is the question. So for those reasons, an intention of the market to bring the price to a specific target level can also cause the fifth wave extension. Now, how do we trade the fifth wave extensions with eye wide open? That is the answer. That is the question we are answering today. Draw all the trend line that you can draw after the fourth wave is completed. That's what we have done now. So we have all those straight lines here. Next thing, highlight the target level, the midpoint target, and the ultimate target level. Those will help you to manage your fifth wave extension, because it can be quite tricky to see what is going on here. So to close this tutorial today, another thing I will say today, if you look down a bit, which you shouldn't do all the time because a lot of traders look down, is that our RSI period 14, I like to use that word with my American accent, RSI period 14. I say that all the time, so don't think that I'm being rude to traders or not. I do that on purpose to make you laugh a bit, that's all. So, it's stuck below a bearish trend line here. Okay. Alright. But the price is going up to a target level. Alright. We talk about this RSI no confirmation signal. Where? At dayprotrader.com. So you see now. So we done our fifth wave. You will see very often during the fifth wave extension what we call the RSI no confirmation signal. That's it. So once you have forecast your fifth wave extension using those trend lines, those key levels, so you this is your expectation, all right? Try to go into the mind of other traders. Another thing I was thinking that I should mention today is that there is always a disagreement between traders when it comes to Elliott wave count, and it's normal, all right? I don't worry about it. So trader may say, John, why this time, which is a good question trader may ask, why this time you count your wave from here? Why you didn't count your first wave here from here, where you have, your favorite pattern, a kind of inverted head and shoulder chart pattern from here? That's a very good question. And I will say to you, I will be recording another video when we'll be talking about this particular stock, why I did count my first wave from this point onward this time. So there is a disagreement when it comes to Elliott wave counts. All right. So anytime you focus a fifth wave extension, anytime you count wave, anytime you are using Elliott wave, all right, it's very, very important to check what other trader may count. So my wave count, even here, from here, calling this first wave, second wave, third wave, we can go back again and look at the chart and ask the question how other traders may see it. We need to know why, because those traders are making decisions. If they see it differently and they have more firing power than us, they can print the price in a different way. So that's why we do care always, anytime we are using the Elliott wave principle or applying Elliott wave forecast or doing anything with Elliott wave, we need to take into consideration other traders. Otherwise, we will just be too proud of ourselves and think that that's it, Joe, you are wrong. That's it. I agree for the first time that you are wrong and go away. I'm the expert in the whole world when it comes to RSI. Everybody should come bowing to me. There's nothing like that. Okay, so enough for my blah blah blah. So this is about how to trade the fifth Elliott wave extension with eyes wide open. Now you can blink. So if you have any question or suggestion, put in the comment section, and in due course I will be recording another video to answer your specific question. If you want to put any comment, any suggestion, put in the comment section. I always read the comment. I may not reply to it straight away. I read them, and in due course we record another video to address that particular issue. All right. This is the end of this tutorial. Okay, if you find this video truly useful, let us know by giving us the thumbs up. Then I'll be so, all right, I've done a very good job today. Today, like this video about a fifth wave extension. So, all right, next time we continue with the same subject or expand on it more. All right. If you think that, Joe, you have not done a good job today, all right, I like your crazy accent, all right. You cheer me up at the end of the video, but no. Mark it down, okay? If you are not satisfied, mark it down. Then we have more pressure on us to improve our next recording. If you think this is an essential tutorial, please, my friend, for the first time in your life, share one of our videos. Feel free to share it on Google+, on Twitter, and also on Facebook. This will conclude our discussion today about how to trade the fifth Elliott wave extension with eyes wide open. Okay, like pro. Happy to meet you all and speak to you soon. We are the TSTW 24 traders talking about how to trade the fifth Elliott wave extension with eyes wide open. The financial instrument that we are analyzing today is American Tower Corporated Epic AMT.